We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we will discuss about two different tools coming under Wall tool in Revit. First one is Wall Sweep. It extrudes a profile along a path. Use Wall Sweep to model elements such as baseboards and crown models. Next is Wall Reveal. It creates a cutout in a wall along a path. Here I will show an example for Wall Sweep and Wall Reveal. This is an example for Wall Sweep. This is an example for Wall Reveal. First we demonstrate Wall Sweep tool. Here I am opening a 3D view of a project. These tools are active only in 3D view. Go to Architecture tab. Click on the Wall tool under Build panel. Select the Wall Sweep from the Wall drop-down menu. Using these options, you can orient the Wall Sweep horizontally or vertically. Using Restart Wall Sweep button, you can start sketching another wall sweep or exit the tool. Place the wall sweep on the project as per your requirements. In property box, you can adjust the offset from wall and offset from level. Wall sweep is generated with a default profile. Here you can load any metric profile family that you drawn and saved earlier. Next, we discuss about Wall Reveal tool. The procedure will be same, but the result is a cut in the wall. Go to Architecture tab. Select Wall Reveal tool. Using these options, you can orient the wall reveal horizontally or vertically. Using Restart Wall Reveal button, you can start a sketching another wall reveal or exit the tool. Place the wall reveal on the project as per your requirements. Using offset value, you can offset from wall and level. Wall reveal is generated with default profile. Here, here you can load any metric profile family that you drawn and save earlier. Thanks for watching this video.